Hey guys, just doing a short video. Here's my pepper starts. Here, I had to put some diatomaceous earth around the bases because some type of larva started growing on them. See if that stops them from killing some of the. They killed a couple of the peppers. I'll be transplanting them to something bigger soon. Kind of like these two. Just in a 2-liter bottle. Cut the top off. Surrounded it with tin foil to keep the sun out from growing algae. These are actually just as old as all those other starts. I just moved them over because they were bigger. Then, that lettuce doesn't look as good on camera as it does in real life, but all my lettuce is about to die. I just barely tried dealing with some of the pests. I got two heads off of that already, so not too worried. I had 3 heads of lettuce in this container, which I've eaten 8 already. Then I got 2 heads out of there before I tore some out, kind of like that. And then I had 2 in this container, which used to be a Windex white container. Now these are just starts that are in my bedroom. Let's go to the living room. Into the darkness. Can actually see better through my camera. Hey Google, turn on the lamp.
Okay, turning the lamp on.
There we go. So let's go see the plants that I have in here. As you can see, I have 4 plants of Ring of Fire peppers. They're these little peppers here. That's about, they sometimes get a little bigger, sometimes a little smaller, but they turn red and they're good spice. Good quick hit. And then right next to it I have my container of strawberries. So the peppers are hydroponics. Just got one of these blue bins from Canadian Tire, which is, you can look up the type of store it is. And then I have an air stone going down in, giving the air tubes. And then we have some LED lights, both on the side and the top here. And then up here is my, what do you call it? Rapid rooter. I guess it would be for cloning. And my brother has an AeroGarden, which is just above. So we have the liquid plant food. And then in our AeroGarden, as I get up, we got a ground cherry growing. with a few fruits growing here. The ground cherries are kind of like peppers and tomatoes. Just once they seed and grow, you can just cut a piece, throw it in the water, and it just roots. And then the rest of my garden stuff is outside already. Here in Edmonton, we have to be careful because we can have frosts up to May long weekend. But right now, the only stuff that's rooted and sprouted outside is pretty much my garlic chives. So that's my growing. I'm not going to do potatoes this year like I did last year. Just in our apartment, we don't have enough patio space and enough sun to get enough. So, as you can see, these fruit a lot. These Ring of Fire fruit a lot. Alright, talk to you later, and remember to like and subscribe.